wakwaba and I feel so comment dreams here aban peso ye
medasi bebre Kobra mamindi kainchia ashama for MP your friend honorable Ernest Nogbe
yeah
nti mechia ashama for mo MP Ernest Nogbe mechia na bebre ene Juma pa oye wo constituency ni mu
okay
affable very affable young man oya de bebre na machia constituency executives ashama mechia the women organizer obia komna asemu a meeting abomi pusa kakra asemu a ye kan no se yakwa akobo bisia de abagana ye de baye honorable Atachia a minister for works and housing say yemfa mu $5.6 billion and famma no no fancy gotes asama ye kan offer eya
re say kan ye be hia
sa sika ye be hia e de si gotes no
yeah
offer ya re ho bebre
adentia
esan say honorable Atachia ene na ban ya hwe ni ye o beguo man we almost starting in kitten. Say, see a baby of a good room. Yan share ni an kasa, MPP bomb my way. Edikan. Cobra, you how my has say. And now, almost prepare 2017 budget. I almost say, creative website as 800,000. Website. Our computer so almost use 8 billion. Old Ghana cities, the creative. And you can say, Aden, and I'm yes, sir. Almost say a mistake. And no mobile no make catch say, Omukakoto drones, Bako 6. No more the moja for so their for win. Almost spending $12.5 million. Bako 6. Sika bet me to aeroplane, Yakoto drones, Bako 6 as $12.5 million. What for ye kobna? And Omuka 16.5 million. And Omuka Oslo house. A dime Bako pay, I turn to America. $3.5 million. Omo di sikano kakoto a dime baku $16.5 million. Na ya na MPP for fi say Ghana for ye Jimmy. Yetumi wia yetumi boy. No MPP for bokro no a. Womo kro no boy fe. MPP for kro no boy e fe. Omo bokro no omo bokro no ma wo a woti ho no. Wo say awase tumi go so omo bokro no. Oh, they steal and steal very well. This group of people. Enti ayem wo wa. Hwe. Na nse ye mu na touch amba be ka kire say the government has released 200 million to the South. Gottes. Over the two got them. And check. And my Mrs. Sila da Pabe catcher and say, Abino Manu 197 million. That is 19.70 billion. Into what we mean, I had 39.7 billion. Almost somebody here got us. And then attach said they would need 5.6 million of Ghana cedis. Dollars. Of a Sika way, a warm ye. Sasika ya wi e betima si factory sense kure besi 1420 ama mranche ne maba wenye adwuma ye MPP is not interested in creating jobs for the youth to do. They are interested in doing unnecessary things. Shadi omoye Kobna se ne me de sikama o se to borehole mamia ufie over to borehole 16,000 18,000 or 20,000. The highest machine siso aye 25,000. MPP 8 senke borehole Omo 2 borehole dey say so mo fom na omo 2 ba ko omo 1.32 billion borehole on not here this answer me one Minister for Special Initiative
So if you want to you asking me and I'm so boy
me won say me say me busa ba be say ye ko
obia onkin kan bia e be ka say obo I say onkin kan budget 2017 budget e dey call parliament Minister for Special Initiative one borehole 132,000. What is he talking about? If he doesn't read he should go and read and stop this. Please, MPP are buying so one more ID card am I organ has ID card near to look or so to look or so lines. Ya mo we say connect week now about ID card. Do you know how much we are spending? We are spending $1.22 billion. $1.22 billion. And so ID card no to me I across the country. That is you don't know the one B2B ID only $1.22 billion a day. And then this year we are using 293 million this year alone. Offer it's a bisa MPP for say aban ya oba bemu a wo so ba be boa Ghana for oba o joma ma nko ne yemra ne yem boa Ghana for ya ba be boa yen mo ba ya hwede mo ye krono na mo boye And he said MPP said to me a borehole bako at 1.3 billion. They no way my. And the minister they catch and said, "Oh, they need 5.6 billion dollars to do this gutters in this country." They no way.
But here we are now. We say drains ni scanner who here can one find factories and okay be bizarre.
Almost say Mati omo minister no attach yan ankasa. See I can't say me no make any nyacho. Edi kan. Or say circle na ye be seen. And here say ke circle. Or say ke underground drain gutters.
Because in soon to
the fast here. Inti misplaced priority attach here. Oh we you know. Or say John Mahama for $200 million. And they see 1,502 affordable housing.
Okay.
Inti mistakes one. Oh we yeah. Or not to make of 5.6 billion to go and visit gutters. Does it make sense to you? On my page, John Mahama for $200 million. We see affordable houses. We see back 1,502. About way in ferry. Et to me press conference. The catcher say I say sika. You see houses, apartment. Bako 1,502. That's a buying the catcher. And then a buying a cock of attach ya no general good anymore. Wakwa 5.6 billion dollars. So the Kosi got us. You see, it is a shame to him and the ministry he operates in.
It's says Sikano in Yasake, the best Jumano, and a Dawson.
Edikan is Sikano Dawson Dodo. Chrono.
Says to get with number can.
Papa Chrono, a woman is saying, Yakako Bobby Sia Diaba. Ya Bobby Sia, the capital expenditure, the Sikaba, or many. Wafa, or be a local school, be away economics, be actually say, when you borrow money. You don't use it for consumption. What the year be a DB baba? And the Uber Bessia, what the year Juma? And to Uber Bessia to be the chia or back a school fees. As I said, that when you never baby. What the year Juma? What the year factory? What the year the other Tom idea for surveying? Ebeba. Nti Usha man pay your mama kobo Busia $850 million. And what do we see? A trouble gas plant. Sa gas plant and then I say a chia and not the chia sika. You chew gas and one. Nanka no chia. That is what we call capital expenditure. And it's a work of 5.6 billion to come and distill gutters. Why are we going to pay this money? When?
But I'm just be able to Ghana no you hear solution to sa normal ecosin so be that for yemre say the be any be to be that's temporary but we don't do anything permanent.
Thank you very much. You if say yeah. O man peni na na do ye campaign. O ka kire Ghana for say sika no wa ha say.
Sika wa ha.
O say sika no wa Ghana ha say ya. Ye ti sika so is a come here den. E come dey. Into obaya. Sika wa kwa bob besia so de ba be adwuma no. Woyim oba beyim attach say fa 5.6 billion fa ma no. No fa ye gutters. Na ya no mo fi say ya dana. And I say ye di ye say 7 ye nim nyansa na. E di enkro no mo boy bebre say.
And you say drains never say and Kenya any day.
Ofa, your drains were Ghana has it. The solution, first solution, is in so no I got a choke robbers a choke no. Into yan desert got us. Yan see got tenum for fair. Yan became on 197 million. A year all Ghana cities no 19.7 billion. So one fenty got them. And Timu Fasa you can't got them.
Okay.
Move 200 million no maka sama chat or somebody besi got us moon spending yet got him yet wura no ye educated the Ghanaian yet check Ghana for say ebe here say you provide dustbins wo krom and say obi no munsu a ofantum ma me fan to robem education here ye no nyina wi a ye de here ansa na ye den ye no nyina wi na say here say got us na ebe biebiem na ebe si ni akata so a eye de okoye de op $5.6 billion akoti obesi got no you be a kwanda so no enda ho na emuda ho koka no ana se de kata so no bi ofa ka kira attachia ne na ban se yesere wo mo se Ghana for se yesere wo mo o ma boy krono bi eye krono wo mo boy no
Ghana wo de krono se ade
na de o for time
ko bra me di kan ma nchirase me say aban we ya ID card ba ko ye $2 million 2 million Ghana cedis.
Oh, the ID card is they found 20 because it drains.
Canada, Japan, Babonti, Becatcher say.
Okay.
The
previous one, I would just now hear with us.
$50,000.
Yeah, by next topic.